Breaking: Students for Free Tibet France has issued a legal notice against Guimet Museum for erasing Tibet.
Que Pékin obtienne satisfaction en externalisant sa politique d'effacement du Tibet vers la France est inacceptable.
For the past 25 weeks, rain or shine, Tibetan community and its allies have shown up outside Musée Guimet with one message: Tibet exists, name it. This campaign began last fall when we learned Musée Guimet and Musée Guimet have replaced Tibet with Xizang and Himalayan World. Within just weeks of our pressure, Musée Guimet apologized and restored Tibet, but Guimet continues the erasure of Tibet proudly. We've met with Guimet's president, Yannick Lins. We've protested every single week, and still, Guimet refuses to tell the truth. Now, we're escalating. We've served legal notices to Guimet Museum and the French Ministry of Culture demanding Guimet reinstates Tibet in its rightful place in their collections of Tibetan art. This is a chance for Musée Guimet to do the right thing. If they refuse, we reserve the right to take further action. Stay tuned as our fight for justice for Tibet continues. Pegalo!